Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make the easiest kind of t-shirt designs. Like you may have I am getting a lot of questions like how to find ideas for t-shirt designs, how to make t-shirt designs that someone will buy. So you need to understand one thing, that is, if you want to sell your t-shirt, then it must relate with your buyers. Like your buyer should relate the idea or the message with the t-shirt design, not that a very good t-shirt design someone saw online and he will buy that. No, this doesn't work like that. First of all is you need to relate your buyer. So here I am going to show you some example like this one. Here I found this one and I really like this idea. Like here, representing your girl like a normal ordinary woman or girl, and then here my girl like something stripper. So the main theme of this design was to making it like your girl is my girl is better than yours. So that is what the meaning. Or maybe you like a normal girl but I like something kind of wild. So I am not going to describe that much, but that this is just an idea. So make I am going to show you how to convert ideas into different designs or different niches. Like you can see here, I downloaded some icons, some vectors from FreePic and Flat Icon. Flat Icon is a good website for downloading this kind of icons. This is here. So I am going to show you the easiest kind of designs. Like, not that you are a beginner and you can make a really high quality design. That doesn't matter. If you can just pick a right message, then any design can sell. So I am going to make this same design here but in a different style. You will find a lot of designs in this same styles. So I am going to just keep it as simple as possible. So here I am making two shapes here. One will be your girl and one will be my girl. So that is how I will convert that design into different designs. Like now maybe something kind of bold font. Okay, maybe here it will look good if I just put it something kind of this, and of course in a lower size, smaller size, so that it should represent the thing in this box only. So I am going to take this one here, just replacing it. Now this is my design frame. So I am going to make everything in these design areas. So as we can see here, they represented like something like a normal woman and a stripper kind of, but I am not going to do that. I am going to convert this idea into different niches. Like here I downloaded two icons. This is just an woman icon, a female icon. I can simply take this one or maybe a copy of it. So this is going to be my your girl option here, and then I am going to convert it into a gymnastic girl or athlete girl, something like this maybe. So if I just something like this, okay, now I am going to just align them. Okay, maybe this one in this way, reflect way. Okay, now you can see how easily we converted that design into a different idea and a different niche. Like now I can target the people who loves to work out or go to gym regularly, and that is how my design will attract them. Like someone, or maybe someone's girlfriend is a do workouts regularly, so he may wants to impress her girlfriend. This is what they did here, but I am not going to do that kind of things. I am just targeting this different niche here. This is just one design. If I just copy this simply here, I can simply change this to another design, like something your man and my man, something like I am converting that into a opposite design. And of course this two will be deleted, this man icon here, and maybe workout man chilote here. So as you can see, this is the easiest way of making designs. Now all you need to do is just make an PNG image, and that should be 300 dpi large, and that's a t-shirt design. You need nothing to do. Now this may not look like this is a good t-shirt design, but trust me, if you want to do some print on demand marketing, like do your shop on Teespring, Redbubble, then this is the kind of design that sells, not a very kind of vectorized work. People, if I am a gymnastic freak or I do workouts regularly, this will obviously attract my eyes. I buy it or not, that doesn't matter, but I will love to see something like this. If my girlfriend is a workout freak or a athlete woman, something like this, or if a woman is a gymnastician, then she will like something like this, that to impress her boyfriend. So this is just an idea how to convert a design into different other niches. So I am here going to do another things, like you can see I have downloaded some more icons. Maybe this is a bit lower, something like this. Now I am just going to use a normal man silhouette here, just like a normal boy or a man, professional looking. And here I am going to use a professional image of a man, and of course he is a doctor. So now I am targeting the wives or the girlfriends of the doctors, and those who are in this profession will like this kind of designs. So the main point of my this video is, you don't need to make a very complex design, just take the right message and target the right people. Your design will sell, your design will obviously sell. You can see this is how we can convert designs, and something like this. If I just change this doctor image, take an engineer type of image here, this is the engineer icon, or maybe something we can do with, that's why I downloaded these two icons. We can represent that profession a bit more precisely, something like maybe that he is holding a range or something like this to represent him, a mechanic or something engineer, with some icons. As you can see, that this is the kind of t-shirt designs people like, and they just want to wear them in public, as these are really funny designs and related to their daily life, their professional lives. That's how they love to do this kind of, they love to buy this kind of designs. Now we can see, just simply we can change this doctor to a nurse and this man to a woman here, and then just change the designs like my girl and your girl, something like that. And now if you just want to do some advanced level works, and that is kind of targeting specifically, like if I just take this image here, this one here, I am going to change this into a dog niche, like this is your girl, a normal girl, and if I just make a dog girl here, something like maybe, okay, this bundle I downloaded from Freepik, and I got those silhouettes from there. So I need a standing girl type of design. Okay, maybe this one will work for me. Now I am taking this one, putting it somewhere like this. Now the focus of my design here is to represent that my girl loves dog, or she pets a dog, something like this. So I can just simply take a dog image here, let me come back. Okay guys, so here I brought a dog image here. I can just simply place it somewhere like kind of this maybe, but that dog is looking bigger than normal, so I need to fix these proportions like the height of this woman here and then the dog according to her height. So something like this maybe, or maybe a bit bigger, as I must make it big enough to look good after printing. So if I just take my curvature tool here to make a something like this, just to represent that she is holding a rope or something kind of dog belt, maybe that's okay. Not that, maybe I just can let her touch the dog's head, something like this, so that it looks much more. Okay, I need to fix something here, that I don't want this area to be smaller, so I need this to come a little down here. That's what I wanted. So if I just, there is still some problems I can see here. Okay, these are the small details, you always work on them, as you are going to sell this to someone and he or she must like the design. So guys, this was the way of converting designs or taking designs, making designs from an existing design and convert that design to any other niches. Like we can use here firefighter, mechanics, or maybe we can like something like that, your girl is here, then I can just make another design here. Okay, maybe I did a design for one of my client. Let me just, okay, here I bring another an image of a rock climber. That's how I will convert this one. I don't need this anymore, as this one is already there. I can use this silhouette image here just to represent that your girl is a normal or a normal like regular woman, and my one just love to climb mountains or something like rock climber, and that's how I can easily target the rock climber people with this. So guys, this is how you can take an idea from a design, so you can get ideas for designs. Now this is not for professional freelancer, those who do freelancing for clients, because you don't know what your client will ask, so this is not for them, but this is for those who are doing print on demand, who are doing or trying to do print on demand businesses like this Spring Redbubble. And personally I found Redbubble is really good. I recently get some sales there, even I didn't do any marketing there, so that's why I recommend that Redbubble. I have a store on Spring too, but I didn't get any sale, as I don't do any marketing for that, because I am a designer, not a marketer. Okay guys, so that's all for today, that's all for this video. I am just going to share with you some idea in the next video. Thank you guys, have a great time, see you in the next video.